Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got myself a new Worklight. I'm always doing stuff and for some reason, don't know where everything always goes. It always disappears on me. So now I have a nice new one. So let's see what we got here. So we have the Worklight, we have the stand for it here, which I will screw in. It looks like it comes with a little screw for it as well. So it looks like it's gonna go into there, but does it have a nut on the other side? Let me see. Let me go hook it up. I'll be right back. Okay, got it set up here now, and it looks like I just had to unscrew this from the bottom thing and then screw it back in again. And it looks like we have two levels of brightness on the back here. It's got a 1 and a 2, so it can go bright and super bright. Wow, that is bright. This will light up the whole room if I turned off the lights in here. Well, it's not gonna work because I have the studio lights on, but you get the idea. It's gonna be bright and really, really bright. So if you need some super bright lights, if like in the garage or doing work or something like that, doing painting, it's really easy to do. It's got the stand, it'll set right up, nice and thin and light, which is great, and a good 10-foot or so cord. So this is gonna be super handy. I'll be using this often, I'm sure, because it's super easy to do, and I'll be able to carry it around just like that. I can keep it with me all the time. So very good, nice light for sure. So thumbs up from me. I really like it.